Rumors about a possible comeback of the legendary Honda CBX have been heating up after Japanese motorcycle magazine Young Machine released a concept rendering. The design presents a next-gen CBX that combines retro styling with modern technology. Key features include a vintage-inspired fuel tank, a round LED headlight, and a sculpted seat that nods to the original late 1970s CBX. At the center of the concept is the unmistakable six-cylinder engine, complete with chrome-plated exhaust pipes reminiscent of the iconic 1978 model. But Young Machine's concept isn't just about nostalgia. It also hints at serious performance upgrades. With inverted front forks, dual front disc brakes, and a reinforced frame, Honda could be aiming for superior handling and stability. These modern touches are smoothly blended into a classic shape, appealing to both longtime CBX fans and younger riders who love retro-modern bikes. If Honda brings this concept to life, it would mean a major return for one of its most legendary motorcycles. The original Honda CBX 1000 debuted in 1978, making waves with its rare inline six-cylinder engine, a configuration still uncommon in motorcycles today. Producing around 105 horsepower, the CBX could reach speeds over 130 miles per hour, setting a new benchmark at the time. Its distinctive engine sound, raw power, and bold design quickly made it a flagship model for Honda. Despite its innovative engineering, the CBX was only produced until 1982. Yet its legacy lived on, earning a devoted fan base among collectors and enthusiasts. Over time, the CBX has become a symbol of Honda's engineering brilliance during a golden age of motorcycle innovation. Fueling the renewed excitement around the CBX is an impressive custom build by Japanese workshop AC Sanctuary. Led by Hiroyuki Nakamura, the team spent 3 years transforming an original CBX 1000 into a reimagined retro sport bike. The custom version features 17-inch OZ wheels, a completely redesigned chassis with a handcrafted swing arm, and twin rear shocks instead of the original monoshock. Performance upgrades include a full titanium nitro racing exhaust with dual side exits, Öhlins suspension, and a Brembo brake system for top-tier stopping power. A stack racing dashboard adds a modern motorsport touch. With this build, AC Sanctuary has revived the CBX's spirit while taking it into high-performance custom territory. As hype grows, CBX fans, whether loyal to the original or drawn to modified versions, are waiting for any official word from Honda about a potential new model. Whether inspired by Young Machine's futuristic concept or AC Sanctuary's masterful craftsmanship, the CBX name is once again stirring passion among motorcycle lovers worldwide.